Niaje wase, karibuni sana Automobile Cafe. Kama kawaida amioga ya Daka. And today we are actually going for shopping. The project Swift is actually coming back, and this time around we're coming back with a banger. Lazima tufanye hii kazi ishe so that we can do the full series and we move on from there. And after that, natumai mtafika bei juu gari nataka kuuza. So if you've been following up this project, then be ready to give an offer. So today we are going to do shopping. Yesterday we did shopping. Tulipata bumper, tulipata lights. Tulipata lights. Leo tunaenda kuangalia sensor ya speedo, and surprisingly this car used to have an issue. Haiko inaonyeshanga speed yake. So tukapata sensor ndio ilikuwa na shida. We looked for it, hatukuwa tumepata, but jana we got it. We have already paid. We're going to collect it from industry area. Apart from that, we are also going to look for some plastic companies that can go mbele ya screen, and maybe the wiper motor to make sure that the wiper has both low and high. Na from there we'll have, by the time tupiga rangi tumemaliza kila kitu imeingiana, tutakuwa tumefanya project imefika kama 90%. Quick update, we decided to remove the exhaust that was loud, the loud exhaust, so that we can at least get better returns out of the vehicle. So even if I get a client who is interested in it, I can sell it kando. But to just be safe, we decided to remove it. Ndio ikwe a decent car, isikuwa loud to everyone. So yeah, let's wait and see. Let's see what today gives us, and from there we move on to the next phase, which is the main phase of the project, ambayo ni rangi and bodyworks. So stay tuned. Let's dig in. We finally got to Roy and picked a few things, then later went back to the workshop and the work commenced. Things are getting thicker. Mambo ni kama haya. So there goes the old one. Sijui kama mnaiona, it's quite dirty. Ndio hiyo. This will come in as the new one. Pole two, one step at a time, as we complete this thing and make it a success. Mambo ni vulai. So chatu yake hapo. So these are the old bulbs, some of the old lights. These are the new ones. We managed to get these things, so at least we'll have this place covered. By the time we're selling this vehicle, mwenyewe ata-enjoy. We got the speed sensor, everything is functioning very well. So yeah, speed sensor, very new from Suzuki, courtesy of one of my guys who sold me a certain unit na akanipatia namba ya huyo msee, and I thank God. It's been a journey, lakini we are trying hapa na pale. So far so good. This is how the car looks from outside. We're still editing 1 or 2 3 things. Rangi haikuwa mbaya sana, but we needed to work on a few parts that were wrongly done before, so that's what we are completing. Tukimaliza gari ingie kwa soko mara hiyo. So start giving your offers. The rear looks this way. We've done away with this Swift label. It was off, so we leave this one and this one. Hii ya Swift mwenye next ananunua gari atajiwekea mwenyewe. And apart from that, I think let's see what happens after this is completed. Tuone updates naendelea kuwapatia tu pole pole. This one also needs to be worked on. Let me brief my guy ndio ikue as good as possible. So kama uko na offer, anza kuiweka kwa mfuko. Rotas lazima tufanye moja ya kimashujaa, na ndio kidogo nikiitisha bei usiseme gari haijafanyiwa test vizuri. Ona panels very clean. This one will be rectified as well. This one will be rectified. So yeah, we are working on it. But this video, you will only see it by the time you are seeing this video. Just know we are done with the bodywork. I won't share this video before the bodywork is done. So wacha vitu ziendelee, tutaongea tu pole pole over time. Kidogo tu. Hii haibambi. We are now moving away from this. We are now moving away from this. Ile inabamba ni hii. Ile inabamba ni hii. Ile inabamba ni hii. Wait until it's done ndio tuweze kulaunch vizuri. It looks very pretty. The hardest thing to fit was the bumper. And let me tell you, hii bumper ilitufanyisha mambo. This bumper comes from a 209 Swift, and the car itself is a 207 Swift. So it looks better, but let me tell you, kuiweka ilikuwa kazi. Mambo yanaendelea kupikwa pole pole tu. Fittings. Vitu ziko hivyo, fittings hapo. Mambo ni vula. Kigo kitu bei inaenda kuongezeka.
hazikuwa hivi.
Hazikuwa straight. Okay. Alafu hii bumper umegundua ni kama hii bumper iko ni flat, ile nyingine ilikuwa flat.
Ile nyingine ilikuwa flat.
Hii iko na kama pua.
Ndio maana inanisumbua na hii fitting.
Lakini nayo ikikua, niliona ile fitting ilikuwa imefanywa Saturday. Ilikuwa inakaa better kuliko ile.
Iko sawa.
Ikikua itakuwa supu. Haina noma. Ikikua inakuwa supu kiasi kuliko vile ilikuwa.
Iko sawa. Hata isipokuwa iko sawa, kila kitu iko sawa. Ningekuwa
hata usikuwa na pressure. After fitment, paintwork started. And let me tell you, it was all done, but unfortunately, hatukuweza kucapture much. However, this was the output. So we later took the car for a wash and basically get to see the best version of this vehicle. Check it out. Uganda ndio kusalimia wengine. Voila! The car was done, and this is how the Swift currently looks. So for now, kama uko na kitu na unataka gari, project ishaisha, ongea na mimi nikupatie gari kwa bei safi. See you. Ciao.